Okay, so I bought this truck in June of 2020. It did not have a factory installed Sirius XM radio, so I installed one, but that left me with a dilemma: where to mount the Sirius XM antenna. Well, I can see it from here, but I've got it hidden pretty well, and you probably can't see it. Anyways, watch the video here, see if you don't think I came up with an ingenious method of mounting it, and leave your comment. I'd like to hear what you think. Anyways, I'll walk up to the truck here. I'll show you what I did. I think I did pretty good. I did a little dumpster diving, and I went into a dumpster. Well, you might not be able to see it well from here, but on the visor there, I took a piece of what was left over of a piece of trash out of the dumpster. It was a either an oil container, gallon oil container, or antifreeze container. I don't remember which. Anyways, I took a pair of scissors and cut the thing up, and then mounted the antenna to it. Might be able to see it better this angle. Maybe not. Anyways, I'll pop the hood. We'll get a little closer. Come around the other side here. So what I did is I've got this quite literally duct taped on here. Let's see if I can't climb up a little better here and not fall off my own truck. Here it is right here. Anyhow, that's the antenna. And the important part about these antennas for Sirius XM is that they not be blocked by your vehicle. And the slope of the top of the truck here doesn't really block it very much from the rear of the truck. Anyhow, that little nub is the antenna. And all I did was use duct tape. Excuse me. Yeah, I said duct tape. All I did was I used electrical tape to secure it. And then I ran the wire in under this black thing up under here. I don't know if you can even see what I'm doing here. Anyways, the wire comes out right here, and I bring the wire into the truck right there by the passenger door. So then I just used a little bit of electrical tape to secure it. Get this camera pointed in the right direction here. Little electrical tape to secure it. And then it goes right down in here into the dash. And from there into the back side of the radio. Anyways, hopefully you can see that in this video. But like I say, leave me comment on what you think of that mounting location. And yeah, it's a jury-rigged setup, but it's been working perfectly now. It's been well over a year and a half, and it's been through several Blue Beacon truck washes, and it has not come off yet. It's been working superb. I absolutely love it. Anyways, so if you like the video, click like, subscribe, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and thank you very much for watching.